Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to learn Hapkido at home. Begin by clearing a safe practice area and setting realistic goals for short daily sessions. Start with basic stances, wrist escapes, and simple falls before adding joint locks. Use mirrors or recorded video to check posture, and practice slowly to build control. Stay consistent, warm up thoroughly, and respect your body's limits as you progress. Enjoy the journey. Focus on core techniques like stances, footwork, wrist escapes, joint locks, and basic throws when practicing Hapkido at home. Break each technique into steps and drill slowly until movements feel natural. Use a partner or training substitute carefully, maintaining control and communication. Incorporate breathing work and balance drills to improve timing. Review techniques on video, note errors, and repeat short, focused sessions daily to build muscle memory and confidence. Quick recommendation: go darn tough socks for comfort and durability. They come with a lifetime warranty that backs long training sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I use these socks for mat work and recovery because they stay snug and prevent blisters. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize safety by using mats, proper warm-ups, and gradual intensity increases for home Hapkido practice. Learn how to fall safely before attempting throws and test locks gently. Schedule regular rest days and address pain promptly to avoid injuries. Seek occasional feedback from qualified instructors online or in person to correct form. Set measurable short-term goals, celebrate small wins, and adapt your training plan as skills improve to stay motivated.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.